Eating wholesome and delicious does not need to come with a hefty price tag. This deliciously simple, caramelised onion and chickpea stew comes together in no time at all, feeding a family of 4 for under £5. Start by preparing your ingredients. Thinly slice your onion, then set them aside. Now it's time to finely slice your garlic and dice your cucumbers into even-sized chunks. Now let's roughly chop your apricots. Prepare your sweet potato by peeling the skin and cutting into fat discs. Now cut your discs into quarters, then set them aside. Gather your mint together, then finely chop it before tossing it through your diced cucumbers. Hit your diced cucumbers with a pinch of salt. This will help flavour them all the way through while the stew cooks. Let's get cooking. Add a drizzle of olive oil to the inner pot, then select saute and select the highest heat setting. Add in your onions and chickpeas. Then cook until golden brown and the chickpeas are blistered and sizzled. When these start to stick, simply add a little bit of olive oil to help them along. Add in your garlic and cook for 1 minute more. Adding this at the later stage prevents the garlic from burning. Remove half of your sizzled chickpea mixture from the inner pot. Set this aside for garnishing. Add in your water and harissa paste along with your sweet potato chunks. Give your mixture a stir to combine the ingredients, then scatter over your chopped apricots. Secure the lid onto your Duo Plus, making sure that the vent is set to sealing. Once the lid is secure, select pressure cook, set the pressure level to high, and set the timer to 6 minutes. Once it's finished cooking, do a quick pressure release, and remove the lid of your Instant Pot. Give your stew a nice stir and season with salt and pepper to taste. Let's plate up. Spoon your chickpea stew into bowls, serving it alongside your toasted wholemeal pita bread next to your mint and cucumber salad. Finish the stew with a large blob of coconut yogurt and finally top with your sizzly, crispy chickpeas and caramelised onions to add a bit of textural contrast. Thank you for joining Instabrand's Cook Along and bon appetit.